Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hulu app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fix the Hulu app that's not working. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So there's multiple things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your TV, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then go ahead and replug it back in. Check and see if the Hulu app then works. The next thing that you can do is that you could actually go into the quick settings tab, then click on all settings, and then scroll down. And then where it says system, click on system, and then scroll down again, and then go ahead and click on restart. So what this is going to do is that it's going to go ahead and restart your TV and check and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, you can actually go ahead and go back onto the Hulu app, press and hold it, click on View in Play Store, and then click on Uninstall and then reinstall the app. Check and see if that works. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the Hulu app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.